This one mistake could be the reason your knees hurt and your legs aren't growing at all. Most people think their squats are helping them build strength, but in reality, they're doing more harm than good. And the worst part? It's not the weight. It's not the reps. It's one simple movement error that almost everyone makes without realizing. When you squat, if your knees travel forward first instead of pushing your hips back, you immediately place unnecessary pressure directly on the kneecap. This stress builds over time and leads to sharp pain, stiffness, inflammation, and eventually a zero progress. Because your quads take all the load while your glutes and hamstrings stay almost completely inactive. Now here's the truth. Strong legs are not built from knee-dominant squats, they're built when your hips take the lead. So what should you do? Before starting the squat, push your hips back like you're trying to sit on an invisible chair. Keep your chest up, spine neutral, and let your knees bend after your hips start moving. This small correction instantly shifts the weight into your glutes, hamstrings, and the strongest muscles in your lower body. Not only does this fix knee pain, it helps you lift more weight safely, build stronger legs, and improve balance and athletic movement. And remember, slow, controlled form always builds more muscle than fast, careless reps. If your knees hurt or your leg growth has stalled, this tiny adjustment may be the breakthrough you've been missing. Fix the movement, protect your knees, grow stronger starting today.